Good morning from Kuala Lumpur, from our Airbnb apartment. We're gonna have a very healthy breakfast to start off the day. And then what we're gonna do?
Head to the infinity pool on the 37th floor.
Look.
The best infinity pool ever, and it's just all for ourselves. Look at this.
Yeah, this is the best time to come. Look, empty. Empty. There's only one guy and us.
And us.
And that's it.
With the view and the pool for ourselves.
Make sure to use our affiliation link on the description below if you want to stay in places like this and have a £25 off your first booking. Would you say no to this? I don't think so.
Oh, and by the way, we already booked our tickets to our next country. Keep tuned to see where we're heading.
Lunchtime!
Yay! Today we came for Italian. We're having a mushroom soup and a pizza margherita for 13 ringgits, which makes...
We'll put the prices here. Thank you. Margherita pizza.
Good one.
Go on, put a bit of chili. Pau, 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 pau. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
We had lunch, we relaxed all day with that amazing view, just stared over there for the whole afternoon, and now you know where we're going. For the last time we're gonna go in the infinity pool.
Last time, opens here.
Look at your face, you're a bit sad. Last day on the pool. Hello, hello. We're spending our last few minutes in the pool.
We've got 10 minutes.
No, we're gonna say goodbye for this.
Goodbye forever.
We really took advantage. We spent the whole morning, a little bit of the afternoon, and now after dinner we came back.
Again.
Yes, but during the night it's much prettier.
Yeah, got all the lights.
Goodbye, best view in the world. Goodbye, infinity pool.
Goodbye.
Sad.
It's a goodbye from us. We shall move on to the next one.
No! Terima kasih. We are back in our room. Today was just swimming all day, just enjoying the sun, the views. Wonderful.
Yeah, we've ticked this one off out of our bucket list. We're very pleased, aren't we?
Yes, obviously.
And tomorrow we head into Malacca. So, see you guys over there.
Goodbye.